Hi guys, welcome to Studies SFDC. In this video, we are going to see the Execute Anonymous feature in Organizer for Salesforce. It is the quick console to run the anonymous Apex code. If a developer wants to execute anonymous code or batch, he needs to go to Developer Console. And log has to be opened only after successful completion. Loading time of such a log will take time, and you have to apply filters to see debug details, which is tedious and time consuming. This feature will help to avoid that delay. Now go to Organizer and click Execute Anonymous. You will see a quick console window. There you will see numerous drop downs and text boxes. These drop downs, which listed as all DB workflow validations, will help you to streamline your logging process. Now click all debug or finest. Finest will give you the whole detail about the logs, and just execute some command. I just executed a command with finest so that it is listing all the logs captured during that execution. Now if I change that to debug, I only get debug related logs. Whereas in Developer Console, you have to open the log and filter to see the debug details. Here it is CC. Using these drop downs, you can filter the details that you needed. If you don't require validation related logs, you just give none, or just only errors will be displayed here. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.